Today we're diving into a topic that's been buzzing in the tech world, Apple's iPad mini 7. Known for redefining compact tablets, Apple is rumored to make a big splash with its 2024 release. So, what makes the iPad mini 7 the ultimate upgrade? Let's explore every exciting detail. The iPad mini 7 is set to take tablet photography to new heights. While the exterior might retain its sleek form, what's inside has transformed. The upcoming Mini will feature an advanced camera system that's designed to offer users a superior experience in both photography and video recording. Gone are the days of using tablets for casual snapshots. The iPad mini 7 is equipped to serve both casual users looking to capture memories and professional content creators needing a reliable, high-quality camera on the go. This tablet's camera upgrades may not appear groundbreaking at first glance, but the enhancements are sure to provide significant improvements that will appeal to every user. Apple might also bring MagSafe technology to the iPad mini 7, making charging more convenient and allowing for a range of new accessories. MagSafe's magnetic attachment system could be used for easy docking, attaching keyboards, or even connecting external storage devices. This feature would enhance the overall versatility of the iPad mini, turning it into a more functional workstation. The iPad mini 7 is expected to support the latest Apple Pencil, transforming it into a powerful tool for creativity. Whether you're sketching, taking notes, or editing photos, the Apple Pencil enhances the iPad mini's functionality, making it a favorite among artists, designers, and students. Expect improved precision and lower latency, providing a more natural, paper-like experience. While the exact release date for the iPad mini 7 remains under wraps, industry insiders predict it will hit the shelves around October 2024. As for pricing, the iPad mini 7 is expected to stay competitive, likely starting at approximately $499 for the Wi-Fi model and $649 for the Wi-Fi Plus cellular variant. Given the range of features and upgrades, these price points make the iPad mini 7 an attractive option in the compact tablet market. The iPad mini 7 promises to be a substantial upgrade, combining advanced features with the beloved compact design. From enhanced camera capabilities and vibrant OLED displays to powerful processors and improved connectivity, the iPad mini 7 is set to redefine what users can expect from a mini tablet. Whether you're a casual user, a student, a creative professional, or someone who simply loves tech, the iPad mini 7 offers something for everyone. That wraps up today's deep dive into the iPad mini 7. Be sure to subscribe for more updates on the latest tech releases and innovations. Until next time, stay tech savvy.